What's the most dangerous time of day to be on the road? According to data from the National Safety Council, NSC, the highest period of the day is from 4 p.m. to 7:59 p.m. for both fatal and non-fatal crashes. Peak crash times can, however, change dramatically over the course of a year. For instance, the peak hour for fatal crashes occurs typically between 8 p.m. and 11:59 p.m. during the warmer spring and summer. In the summer, the peak time for non-fatal crashes is usually between midday and 3:59 p.m. The highest number of fatal collisions occur between 4 p.m. and 7:59 p.m. from October through March. Typical reasons for auto accidents. There are numerous frequent reasons of motor vehicle accidents that might impact the accident rate, regardless of the day of the week, the time of day, or whether a holiday is observed. To find out how your accident occurred and who should be held accountable, it's critical to get in touch with an experienced automobile accident lawyer as soon as possible after being involved in a motor vehicle accident. Number 1. Intoxicated driving. There are other factors besides drinking that can make driving dangerous. Both illegal and prescription drug use can make drivers so impaired that they shouldn't be operating a vehicle. Reflexes, reaction times, and vision, among other crucial abilities required for safe driving, are all impaired by alcohol and drugs. Number 2. Distracted driving. Today's drivers face greater temptation than ever to get distracted. Smartphones, texting, calling, social media, infotainment systems, eating, drinking, applying cosmetics, maintaining personal hygiene, traveling with pets or other people, and what is happening outside their vehicle, such as an accident, can all easily divert their focus from the crucial task of driving. Distracted drivers require longer stopping distances and times, which is often not possible. They are more prone to cause an accident as a result. Number 3. Fatigued or drowsy driving. According to recent studies, driving while exhausted or sleepy might be just as risky as driving while intoxicated. For shift employees or even truck drivers who could refuse to follow federal requirements regarding their rest periods, this might be particularly problematic. Injuries from drowsy drivers that result in serious or even deadly outcomes are possible. Number 4. Lack of vehicle maintenance. Some drivers don't properly maintain their cars. For instance, they can have brake pads that are extremely worn down, brakes that are severely fractured, or very worn tires that lose grip or blow out. It is everyone's duty to keep their cars in good working order. You can hold them accountable for the harm they do if they do not take the proper action when it is required and later cause an accident. Number 5. Driver inexperience. Drivers who are younger and less experienced are more likely to cause auto accidents. This also applies to semi-truck drivers who are inexperienced or who may not even have undergone the necessary training. Number 6. Inclement weather. Reckless driving on slick roads can result in catastrophic mishaps. In the rain or in the fog, drivers must be ready to slow down and drive cautiously. They ought to switch on their car's lights, give the car in front of them more room, pay closer attention to drivers at junctions who might try to swerve through, and make sure their windshield wipers are in good working order. What day of the week has the worst traffic accident rate? The riskiest day of the week to be on the roadways is Saturday. You can't plan your life so that you can spend every Saturday at home, but you should drive more cautiously on the weekends. According to NHTSA data, Saturday afternoon is the riskiest time of the week on American roads. Alcohol, excessive speeding, and more traffic on the highways all play a part. The likelihood of deadly motor vehicle collisions increased on the weekends, peaking on Saturdays. The National Safety Council, NSC, reports that non-fatal collisions tended to rise over the work week but peaked on Fridays.